Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you about Yahoo, which is a search engine, and how it was raised and fall and rebirth of tech giant. What is it and what happened to it? So let's get started. Here we go. The Yahoo, the rise, fall, and rebirth of a tech giant. The rise and the fall of the Yahoo, how it was raised and how he fell. The early days of Yahoo, Yahoo's dominance in the 90s, the fall of Yahoo, Yahoo's legacy, lessons learned from Yahoo. And here we go. The rise and the fall of the Yahoo. Yahoo was once considered the king of the internet, but its rise and fall is a cautionary tale for all businesses. Founded in 1994 with Jerry Yang and David Filo, Yahoo started as a directory of websites that help users navigate the early internet. However, Yahoo quickly expanded into other areas like email, news, and search, becoming one of the most popular sites on the internet. During the dot-com boom of the late 90s, Yahoo stock price soared to new heights, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. However, as the internet landscape shifted towards social media and mobile devices, Yahoo struggled to keep up. Poor leadership, decision failed acquisition, and a lack of innovation ultimately led to Yahoo's decline and eventual sale to Verizon in 2017. The early days of Yahoo. In the early days of the internet, a group of Stanford University students named Jerry Yang and David Filo started compiling a list of their favorite websites. This list eventually became the basis for what we now know as Yahoo, one of the first search engines on the web. As Yahoo grew in popularity, it became more than just a search engine. It was a portal to the internet, offering news, email, and other services. For many people, Yahoo was their first experience with the internet, and it holds a special place in their hearts. Yahoo's dominance in the 90s. In the 1990s, Yahoo was the undisputed king of search engines. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive directory of websites made it the go-to destination for internet users around the world. Yahoo's success can be attributed to its innovative approach to organizing and categorizing information. Unlike other search engines at the time, Yahoo used human editors to create a hierarchical structures of topics and subtopics, making it easy for users to find what they were looking for. The fall of the Yahoo. Yahoo's downfall can be attributed to a number of factors, but perhaps the biggest mistake made by its leadership was their failure to innovate. As other companies like Google and Facebook were introducing new and exciting features, Yahoo remained stagnant, relying on its existing products to maintain its user base. Another major issue was Yahoo's inability to keep up with the rapidly changing technology landscape while competitors were investing in mobile and social media. Yahoo was slow to adopt, leading to a decline in relevance among younger users. Yahoo's legacy. Yahoo was one of the pioneers of the internet industry, playing a significant role in shaping how we use the web today. From its early days as a search engine to its later expansion into email, news, and other services, Yahoo was a trailblazer that set the standards for many of the features we take for granted today. While Yahoo may no longer be dominant force it once was, its legacy lives on. Its innovations paved the way for countless other companies and helped to establish the internet as an essential part of modern life. As we reflect on Yahoo's impact, we can appreciate the profound influence it had on our world and the opportunities it created for future generations. Lessons we learned from Yahoo. One of the key lessons from Yahoo's rise and fall is the importance of staying innovative and adaptable in a constantly evolving industry. As we saw with Yahoo, even a dominant player can quickly become irrelevant if they fail to keep up with changing technologies and consumer preferences. Another takeaway is the critical role that leadership plays in the success or failure of a company. Yahoo's decline was largely attributed to poor decision making by its executives, including missed opportunities for acquisitions and investments in emerging technologies. And that was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video. So please keep liking and sharing our video and subscribe our channel.